Barbecue time. We're setting up and we're gonna barbecue some chicken. And we have here is a thermometer to check the temperature while you're cooking and if it's the right temperature. So we're gonna throw our chicken on the barbie. We're gonna take the probe out of the case. It is a magnet that can hang on to the barbecue. So you could grab it anytime you want. There's the magnet area. And you could push it out simply like so with your thumb. And you turn on the unit. Go into the application. And you have about 4 different probes to use. And you can see the temperature gauge. You have here is all your meat settings. And you simply take your phone with you, take the probe, stick it in, and come back when it's ready. You can set up some tones and the languages you want in Fahrenheit, Celsius, and ringtones. Now we'll set up and wait for the chicken to be ready, and we'll give a demonstration. In the probe you can set up and you have your beef, veal, pork, vegan, lamb, chicken. Chicken will be ready at 165 degrees. We simply going to now come into the barbecue, place into our chicken, and hit start. And we see our temperature at 91 degrees. We're checking the food out. We have the probe here. With meat thermometer, cooking all different types of foods. You have the probe, like said, keeps near the smartphone and keeps near the probe. And we're able to measure our temperatures of the food while cooking. The Nulzun meat thermometer, barbecues, conventional ovens, checking on your meats, poultries, fish, and more via the smartphone app with a quick, fast charging and base holder of a silver probe. I hope you enjoy your meat thermometer. Comes in a nice bamboo type case, magnetic mount, LED lights, charging port, and cable. Enjoy your meat thermometer. Silver thermometer.